Okay, everybody. This video is going to show you how to navigate the IUCN RedList to find your endangered species for your project. So the first thing you're going to do is go to IUCNRedList.org, and it should pull up and look like this. This is the most comprehensive list we have of tons of different endangered species. For instance, this picture here, the Gunnison grouse, its population is currently decreasing and it is marked EN, which is endangered. Over here, this one is critically endangered. The Myriocella irrata, its population is unknown. So some of these species have a lot of information, some don't. In order to find species for our project, you're going to go to Advanced. And then all of these categories are ways that you can search. You can search by population trend, whether it's increasing or decreasing. You can search by category on the red list. You can search by habitats and threats. What we're going to start off with, we want to only look at critically endangered, endangered, and vulnerable species. Those are the only ones that you can use for your project. So you need to do that for your first category and see how it already populates some of these species. So we have the American cownose ray, we have the Portland ridge frog, and we have a bunch further down here. The next thing we have to do, we have to make sure it lives in the water if this is a water-specific project, which if you're watching this video for the aquarium fair project, then it is a habitat-specific one. So you want to go to Habitat, and we want to look at different habitats. So we can look at a marine. Those are all in the ocean. And then we can look for wetlands. And we can see our species over here that have now popped up. So all of these are things that should live in the water or heavily depend on the water. You can look through all of these. I know not all of them have pictures when you're first looking, but when you click on it, they usually will pop up with a picture. So this one here is the butterfly split fin. It is critically endangered, and we can see a map that has where it lives, what type of ecosystem it's in, which is a wetland. All the way down, we can even look at the population trends, the threats that it is facing, which this will be really helpful for your project, and the conservation actions that are in place. That's how you find your list species that you're going to use for the project.